Kyagulanyi. I want to introduce you to the people of Sabei, especially to the people of Kapchorwa. You're most welcome home. This is home. Feel at home and say anything you want to say to your people. This is your home. I think you can see the love. So please take over, Your Excellency.
People power! Our power! People power! Our power! NUP! Everywhere! My sister, Harriet. Harriet? Allow me to stand on top of that car so that everybody can see me. It is you, people power, our power. Ekyamazima, Ekyamazima, oh yeah. My brothers and sisters in Kapchorwa, the elders of Kapchorwa, the mothers of Kapchorwa, the children of Kapchorwa, the ghetto people of Kapchorwa. I want to say thank you very much for the welcome. When I was dressed with this noble welcome, I felt like I am home. Even if I saw so much poverty on my way here, I will tell you this is the most beautiful place I've seen. And I will tell you also that you are the most beautiful people I've seen. If my mother was still alive, I was going to ask her, why was I not born in Kapchorwa? But if it is your wish, my brothers and sisters, from today onwards, I also want to be a son of Kapchorwa. Thank you very much for the welcome. When I was coming here, I was told that the military and police have been deployed everywhere. They have been intimidating people. And the RDCs have even promised to shoot people. But today I have come to realize that the people of Kapchorwa are not cowards. People power, our power. My brothers and sisters, our country has never been as united as it is today. In fact, not the country, let me phrase it again. I know that our country is very divided, but our people have never been as united as they are today. When I look at all of you, I see myself. And I'm sure when you look at yourself, when you look at me, you see yourself. That is who we are. A new Uganda. United by the pain we all have. United by the dreams we all have. The dreams of a new Uganda. I know that Many of you have been watching on TV and seeing what we go through every day. And I know that as a presidential candidate, you expect me to be putting on a suit and a tie and very smart. And I'm sure you don't expect me to be putting on a bulletproof right now. But all of you know that ever since the young people of Uganda said they want change, Museveni has been scared. I say it again, Museveni is very scared. Now what I'm telling you today, you're not going to hear it on radio. You're not going to hear it on TV. But I will tell you, my brothers and sisters, that ever since Museveni became president of our country in 1986, that sounds like Uganda. I was only 4 years old, and I'm sure many of you were not born yet. So they made us slaves in our own country. That is why we are very poor in a very rich land. Our country is very, very rich. But we are very, very poor. You know why? Because since Museveni took over, he made this country a property of him and his family. And the poverty you see around is not a mistake, my brothers and sisters. It is intentional, because when they make us poor, that is how they can govern us. I am not here to talk about Museveni, because there are so many young people here. And therefore, I don't want to talk about the past, I want to talk about the future. I say I don't want to talk about the past, I want to talk about the future. I am not here as a professor. I am not here as a military general. I am here as a representative of the common people. I am here as a representative of the poor people. I am here as a representative of the young people. As a representative of the ghetto people. As a representative of the future. I want to tell you that I've traveled the world and I've seen countries that are not even quarter as blessed as our country. But they are developing and we are going backward. This is not a normal presidential election. I said this is not a normal presidential election. this is not business as usual. This is a revolution. I said this is a revolution. Have you ever seen a presidential election where the presidential candidate must put on a bulletproof? Have you ever seen a presidential election where one of the candidates is not allowed to drive in town? Have you ever seen a presidential election where one of the candidates is followed by live bullets and tear gas everywhere they go? I want to tell you that this is not business as usual. I have news for you today. We are removing a dictator. I said we are removing a dictator. And once again, Uganda is going to be our country. So the reason why I am standing to be your president is because I want us to have a president who is not a boss but a servant. We must have a president who listens to us and fears to annoy us. We must have a president who does not say he owns our country. That is the reason why I'm standing here before you, ladies and gentlemen. I know, like very many parts of Uganda, you have problems with your health care system. I know that your hospitals are not the hospitals that you deserve. What is your request? You are the bosses, we are your servants. What do you want? I presented my memorandum, which was so painful in our family. But this NRM must leave this country. People power! Our power! Mr. must leave Uganda. Thank you very much. Come on here. Now I want in very few words, my brothers and sisters. In very few words, I want to bring this brief message to you. The reason why we want to change leadership in Uganda is because we want to benefit from what we are. I would have taken a long time talking about our hospitals, talking about our unemployment, talking about the animals that are stolen and not compensated, talking about our people that are being killed by Uganda Wildlife Authority, talking about the raw materials that are making lime and cement, but the people of Kapchorwa are not benefiting. But because we don't have so much time, and because I know that you're going to give us very good MPs like my sister Harriet Simba here, I will only talk about education. When I was driving here, I saw Sebei College. And I said to myself, if I was president, that would be 100 times better. In a land where there's so much talent, we don't even have a university. In a land where we have so many people, there's not even a referral hospital. They have to take you to Mali. But like I said, because of time, I will only talk about our education. The biggest thing that has made Kapchorwa and the whole of Sebei region popular in the world is your talent. I have said it before and I will say it again. That when I am president, our education is going to be divided in 4 A's. The first A will be academics. I will not talk about academics today. The second A will be arts. I will not talk about arts today. Because I am a product of the arts, and you know that we have millions of Bobi wines out there. The third A is agriculture, and I will not talk about agriculture. Because I know that you are aware how much you could have gotten out of agriculture if we taught our children about it. The fourth A is athletics. Somebody say athletics. Somebody say athletics. In our schools, we intend to develop athletics right from primary 1. The only reason why Museveni does not respect talent or sports talent because he does not have that talent. But let me tell you, my brothers and sisters, apart from HIV/AIDS and corruption and daytime murder, the only time Uganda's flag has gone high on the world map is because of athletics and sports. So if we invest enough in athletics, man, I know we have thousands of Kiprotis right here where we are. We have thousands of Kipsiros right here where we are. But I know that those talented people have to travel to Kenya to train from there. And yet we have that talent, we have even the terrain that they can train from if they are assisted by government. A good example is right here where we are. Look at the pitch right here. If I was president, let me leave that one. So my brothers and sisters, we can talk about our problems, we can talk about the dreams, we can talk about what we can achieve as a nation. But the solution lies in your hands. The power to change all this lies in your vote. That is why I'm presenting my faith before you, ladies and gentlemen. And it is only your endorsement, it is only your vote that will transform these words I am saying into action. Therefore, I want to encourage all of you to come out and vote on the 14th of January. And all of you, I want to encourage you to encourage all those people that are scared that could not come here to listen to me. And I also want to ask you to take the future of Uganda very, very seriously. What we decide today is what is going to determine where we will be 5 years from now. Like I said, this is not a usual election. This is a revolutionary election. Please come out and vote. Please don't say we are too many, me even if I stay home. No, we want every vote to be counted. And after voting, please don't leave the polling station. I say after voting, don't leave the polling station. Stay there and let us count our vote together. For the first time, I can guarantee you that we are going to turn these politicians into our servants. We are going to make these leaders our servants, and as people of Uganda, you will be the true bosses. You will have charge of your country, and you will be proud to be called a Ugandan. You will be able to benefit from your talent and the natural resources that God gave you. You will be able to own your land, and it will be truly your land. Your life will be respected, and nobody will shoot at you, and they go. And yes, you will have a president who is your buddy. I say you will have a president who is your friend. You will have a president who will listen to you and respect you. You have a president. I look forward to coming back here on a victory party. I want you to imagine your president singing for you. One more rap. That is going to be the new Uganda, ladies and gentlemen. But I am not alone. We are going to do this together. I want you to allow me to introduce to you some of the leaders. We have Honorable Chemutai Harriet. Me, I like to call her Simba. Honorable Harriet Simba. Women MP. She's going to be our MP. We have our brother Nakawika Yasin, who is going to be a district councillor. We have our brother Kim. Mic check, mic check. Hello. Do you want to see? I'm a bingo. Hold on. Do you want to see my Nubian brother? Do you want to see my Nubian brother? Step up, Nubian. Sing Nubian. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I know it is a beautiful day, it is an amazing day, and I thank you for the welcome. But as I conclude, I also want to take this sad opportunity to communicate to all of you that as young people, especially in Kampala, we have a Muslim community. And today the Muslim community, with sadness, announces the sad passing of Sheikh Nuh Muzata, who just died a few moments ago. Yeah, we have to keep strong, we have to keep going. I will be going to Kampala to stand with the family of Sheikh Muzata, but I thought that I should communicate that to you. But again, to you the young people, we have a responsibility. We have a responsibility of doing what we must do in our generation. I want you to remember that in all the countries that have changed, from America to France to Germany, these countries were changed by their younger people. So, I want you to know that we have a duty as a generation. 20 years from now, it is our children that are going to be standing here. 20 years from now, it is our children and grandchildren that will be standing here. So what we do now, what we decide now, what we think now is going to decide where our children will be. Thank you very much for God and my country.
Thank you everybody. Guys, I want to guys, I want to go for Sabine, Bobby Wine, Harriet Simba. We are going to have a Kumania, around our gang, Bobby Wine, got by Harriet, Jejamokarom. Papa, NUP, everywhere.
Agatusazeeko waliwo amagye ge tulaba agatusazeeko wano tetumanyi kiki kyegaagala ku mukolo kuno tetumanyi kiki kyegaagala ku mukolo wano era gadusiza abantu emisinde tetumanyi kiki kyegaagala magye makambwe nnyo tetumanyi kiki kyegaagala so banaye tuli ku bunkenka bakiki kana akalukoosi kalabangako Very endala tetumanyi naye katulabe watunasobozesa okutuuka abatulaba ku Ame TV TV tweyongeddeyo ndowooza tugenda ku venue esembayo tetumanyi oba eneeba bato tetumanyi oba tunagikola so abatulaba ku Ame TV tufiiriddwa omuntu w'omugaso ennyo mu ggwanga siekenuku muzaata inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raaji'uun. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raaji'uun. Sefujane ono agambye nti kitalo nnyo subhana ya rabbi Trevor, we wish you all the best. Bamwita Aisha Abubeka. Aisha Ogambachi ki ekiriwo kati kyembasaba buli ali ku Ame TV sharingayo omulundi gumu sharingayo omulundi gumu buli atuuka sharing big loss tufiiriddwa omuntu ow'omugaso ennyo mu ggwanga Uganda. Tufiiriddwa omuntu ow'omugaso ennyo mu ggwanga Uganda. Ayagala okusapotinga Ame TV twagala sente z'amafuta, twagala sente z'okulya, twagala sente z'okusula kuba omulenzi tusula mu mmotoka ate eno wabi so basapotinga Ame TV enamba ziri pini eya Airtel neya MTN zonna ziri mu manyala Semombwe James.